Hi, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna tell you the best export setting for YouTube videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. I have just completed the project in Adobe Premiere Pro. To open up the export window, make sure your timeline panel is selected. Just hit Ctrl M in Windows or Command M if you are a Mac user. The export window will pop up. If you are using the older version of Premiere Pro, it's look different, but don't worry, just follow the instruction. The first thing you want to do is to change the format to H264. You can also select the H265, but H264 is better and also compatible with the older players. So if you want a good quality, you can simply go to the video tab and just hit the use maximum render quality. Just check this box. Now hit the export button. There's the video done. But if you want to get the optimal result, let's go over to the video tab. Most of time we will use the match source, which is going to match your sequence setting. Adobe Premium makes this default because the native resolution frame rate will look the most similar to your original footage. However, if you want to downscale, let's say you want 1080p to 720 pixel. The image quality should look better than your typical 720 video. It's not ideal to upscale 1080p video to 4K because Premiere will have a less pixel to work with and have a copy a lot of pixels from original shots. This will of course degrade its quality. Next, render at maximum depth to get the best quality out of your shot. If you scroll down to encoding setting, you want to uncheck the profile so you can change it to high. I also recommend to change the level. Uncheck this box, click 4.1 to 4.2, moving next to bitrate setting. Most of time we use the VBR variable change the bitrate based on what's going on in the shot. Premium will dedicate more bitrate to higher detail scenes and less to lower ones. This makes your video size optimal while retaining its quality. The next is CBR, constant bitrate. As its name suggests, it's going to be the same regardless of the complexity of the shot, and therefore it's less efficient and probably make your video size bigger than it's need to be. Most of time VBR is better. So out of two VBR setting, you will usually want to use the 2 pass, which takes longer to render but will give you a higher quality video. Moving next to target bitrate, which is the main thing that control your video quality. If you are uploading the videos to YouTube, it's super helpful to know their recommendation for bitrate. Using these, you can get both the best quality and video size for YouTube uploads. Okay, moving next to audio setting. For audio, all we are going to do is to change the bitrate to 320. If there is 192, you can change to 320 kbps to get the most out of your audio. We don't need to mess with the rest of these tabs. All things are done, but before hitting the export button, it's better to click the save this preset button that's located near to the top of the export window. Here you can click and save this preset. So finally just click the export button and get the best result out of your footage. If you have any question, leave a comment below and also check the video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.